Hi guys, I'm just trying to secret in to get the shopping treats. Well, I just see a new pretty cool. You can so kulang pala. So guys, try it now. Maganda guys. Click mo lang dito tapos ma-open siya agad. Naghanap ako ng secret. Okay, so ayun pa pala. Yung click mo lang to. Click ko kasi parang siya doon. Kaya mo lang under collision lang. Pero totoo talaga. Kahit